try it now. It tastes a bit like noodle, but more chewy and more thick.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at one of Shenzhen's most popular night markets and they have lots of new food. How much food we can get for a family of 4, a nice array of food for no more than 100 RMB. That's about 11-12 quid or pounds in English money. So let's see how far this takes us tonight. I'm hungry, let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna try some clams now. Over here it's 5 clams for 12 kwai. Now that is a bargain.
那我要12元50的扇贝。
可以啊，打包吗？还是在这里吃？
在那里吃。
Okay guys, I got 5 clams over here. Let's try them out. You can see these clams are covered in garlic and some glass noodle.
I'm gonna try the scalp now. That orange string is very chewy.
Very garlicky, very nice. I love it.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with P, potato. I saw some potatoes here, looks interesting, so I'm gonna try it out. Chinese potatoes, never seen them cooked like this. She's mashing them, she's throwing all kinds of stuff inside. Boom, boom, boom. It's 12 kwai, so let's have a look. Man, look at it. It's got some peanuts, some pickles, some chives, some eggs, some lajao. It's got everything, guys. So much flavor. It's a new dimension in potato eating.
1元一串吗？
哪个？1元、2元、3元、3元，多价钱都有。
算一下，老板。The meat one is 2 kwai and the lettuces are 1 kwai.
好的好的，你们不要辣对不对？ OK.
8 kwai for all 4 of them.
这个。
你好，可以点一份。可以啊。
Guys, we're about to try some stinky tofu, black stinky tofu. I never tried it in my whole life. Let's do it. Okay guys, the time has come. It's time for me to try the black stinky tofu. I've been able to avoid this for 10 years, but now it's time. Here we go. The name does not do it justice. Stinky tofu, you're expecting it to just not taste good either. But actually, it's not bad at all. The outer layer's a little bit crunchy. The flavor's really mild. Yeah, not bad at all. This tofu also comes with quite a delicious soup. I think it's the soup that actually makes it taste alright. Wow, look how big! Yikes!
Personally, I think it's a load of crab.
你好，这是什么呀？花甲粉。再来一份呢？2份分好1份花甲。不要辣的。
等会我们来拿啊。好的。
这里面是什么呀？
花甲。
圆啊这种东西。She said, "Let's try the barbecue noodle." Oh, look what I found! Look, it even has something inside the clam. Oh, Mama, you don't need to get any more clam. You just use this. I never tried clam before. Good.
18。
18.
你哪个国家的？
荷兰。
荷兰，你普通话说得很好啊。
谢谢。
真的很好，很标准。
I think it's like noodle pieces, like the noodle dough, but into tiny little pieces like that. 这个名字是什么呀？
这样的湖顶肉片。
辣吗？
你要辣的话就可以放辣，你要不辣的话就可以不用放，也可以放醋。
好，那要一份不辣。
不辣，有10块的，还有12块的，你要哪种
？10块的。
好的。你们是来的中国人说的中国话吗？在中国学的吗？还是
在中国学的，对。I'm gonna try it now. It tastes a bit like noodle, but more chewy and more thick. And the soup is like shrimp soup and stuff like that. Is like seafood. It's really good. Yeah, and when you swallow it, it tastes a bit like shrimp.
Hello。
This is durian being. I can't believe my mother's gonna try this. It looks like butter. It's 25, the most expensive thing we have all day. That means we have 5 kwai left. So what are we gonna get with that money? If you wouldn't have told me that this was durian being, I would have never suspected it.
Okay guys, here we go. Durian Bing. One thing you need to know about durian is that it's extremely smelly. And it's also extremely popular in China. They have durian on pizza, durian in coffee, and now we have durian Bing. Never tried this before? Let's try it.
It's a feat of endurance.
Interesting. The outside layer is like crispy bread, and the inside is quite sweet and soft. Actually, I don't really taste the durian that much. Hold on a second. I think the afterkick is coming. Oh yeah. You need to swallow first to get the full durian experience. It's a perfect ending to this video because this is quite sweet, which makes it a dessert, doesn't it? Okay guys, we have spent 95 kwai. We have 5 kwai left because that was the aim. A family meal for under 100 kwai. And I think I'm gonna have to buy some Tic Tacs or something to get rid of this overbearing durian taste.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to slap that like button right on the face if you can.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye.